Dear Pixie, you asked us why so many people ask for proof of our existence and of the dimensions beyond the third. You tell us that people say that if the entities of the higher light are so powerful, why do they then not give us tangible, concrete proof that they exist? The proof that they seek has been worked upon by humans on your planet who had an equal balance of right and left hemispheres of their brain. These human beings were able to open to intuition and communicate with the higher light, and were equally able to understand and compute mathematical and scientific formula and logic. Each of these people left their mark on your world, and all of these geniuses that we speak of have reincarnated and are alive today on your earth, continuing with their work and moving forward with the ascension process. Therefore, this proof that people seek is available and shall be made more so when the unified field theory is made public. In the meantime, this proof shall be made available to the genuine seeker who works with the universal energies as well as the human ones. There are many beings on your planet now who expect us, as all-powerful light beings, to just hand them this proof on a plate, as it were. Well, it does not work like that. For ascension, which is available and necessary for every being on the planet, is achieved at its highest point when certain chemical changes and electromagnetic raising has been done within the human brain and body. Each time you work out something for yourself, the brain chemistry changes, firing up new synapses and opening your consciousness field ever wider. Each time you receive a piece of synchronicity that can be only perceived to you as a miracle, the joy and upliftment within your very being raises the electrical frequency of the heart to a higher vibration. This moves you ever closer to the ascension culmination point and allows you to walk the path in harmony with planet Earth. If we were to give you all the answers as solid proof, then these chemical changes and heart frequency electrical patternings would not take place, and we would be doing you a great disservice. Our job is to guide you when you ask that of us, and if there is a certain knowledge you seek, then if you seek this knowledge with a pure heart and open mind, then you shall find it. What then can we advise to you, Pixie, and to others who come across another who demands proof and facts from you before he or she will open their mind to higher truth? Look then at this person and see if there truly is an opening whereby this light can filter in. If there is, then gently guide this person forward as we guide you. But if this person has closed the shutters on their belief system and must have tangible proof and hard facts no matter what, then there is no place that you, the human being residing in third density, can help to filter in this light. Therefore, do not use up your valuable energy on those who have closed the doors to this understanding. For we assure you, dear light workers, there are many who are awake and aware and newly open to the light, and it is they who need your service, your compassion, and your guidance. Be assured that all is not lost for those of the hard scientific mind. For we, from the higher dimensions, do have a way of filtering light to these people, for no one is immune or lost from the light. If they do not find their way in this incarnation, then they will return to third density until they do. But remember, these beings are you in another timeline, another reality, so treat them with as much love and kindness as you would your own brother or sister. And how does one do that? By letting them go upon their journey, trusting that they will find the light when the time is right for them. You do them and yourselves the greatest service by not engaging in conversations with the ones who do not have open pathways to the light. They are not in the same dimension as you are, and your calling is the newly awakened ones, or the ones with just the slightest openness, ready to receive your help and light. These people that must have the proof that we speak of reside on your planet Earth with you. You can see them, and they can see you, but you are not existing in the same dimension. Therefore, it is like trying to convince a man who swims in the sea that he is really a bird in the air. If a person has not expanded their consciousness into fourth or fifth dimensional thinking, as you light workers, way showers and starseeds have, and are doing, then how can they possibly be open to true communication with you? Therefore, our response to your question here is to let them go along their way with love, and turn your attention to the ones who are ready to hear your words, for they need you. And your energy shall not be drained when you communicate with those who receive it. If you continue to try to convince another of something that is not within their ability to see, then your energy is drained, and so is theirs, for it goes nowhere and is not exchanged. When you help another, and they receive that help, then an energy exchange takes place, uplifting both parties involved in the exchange to a place of light and love. We respect and abide by the free will of humanity, and only come forward to those who ask us to. We cannot show ourselves to those who test us, to those who only wish to see us because they want proof of us. We show ourselves to those who ask because they believe, know, and trust that we are there, even whilst remaining within healthy skepticism. If they ask with a pure and loving heart, we are always there, always. We therefore recommend you follow this example, and do not overstep the boundaries of the free will of another. This includes trying to convince somebody of the truth you know, when that person has not yet requested that truth be shown to them. Follow your hearts and guides, and live as much as you can within the vibration of the higher self. When you do this, you shall know who you can help to allow light in, and who you cannot. But know that no being is ever lost to the light. Their walk in shadows is only temporary. All beings who are part of the one pure source consciousness shall find their way back to the one pure source consciousness when the time is right for them. We are the white-winged collective consciousness of 9, bringing with us at this time the energy of the Lord Sananda, Ascended Master of the Divine Christ Light.